Hi, today we create this simple geometry node animation. I show you how create this cool material. Tutorial very easy. If you want more geometry node tutorial, check my channel. Let's start. First open geometry node editor, delete group input, Shift A and search icosphere. Subdivide 4 times, connect mesh to geometry. Now we need set position. Shift A, search vector math. Now we need position to vector, Musgrave texture, height to vector, add multiply, change 3D to 4D, vector to offset. Now we have this basic shape. I add more subdivision, looks better. Here you can change shape and animate object. I not want insert keyframe, just create math. Change to multiply, Shift A, search value to value, write hashtag frame, enter. If you click play, you see animation moving too fast. We need write small number. And I want to change frame rate to 60. If now play animation, you see way better result. Now just experiment with the settings and choose what you like. I have a more tutorial about geometry node. Don't forget check my channel. I think looks good. Now we need more couple node. Shift A, search instances on point. Now search icosphere. Mesh to instances. Change radius. And add more subdivision if you want. This slow your computer, be careful. Now I leave one subdivision, later I change maybe. Don't forget save file, Ctrl Shift S and save. Now we need search noise texture. Fact to scale, value to scale. Shift D, copy multiply. Shift A, search map range. 3D, change to 4D. And experiment with settings. Choose what you like. After a couple minutes, I find what I like. If you wanna copy my settings, we have a very good result. I like what I see. Create object inside this effect. Add join geometry. Now search icosphere. Connect mesh to geometry. Change radius, subdivision. Looks really good. Shift A, search set shade smooth. Shift D, duplicate. And finally, we need set material. Shift D, duplicate. Now we create cool material. Open shade editor. Change render view. And world color change to black. Create light area. Move and scale. Add more power. Select effect. Shift A, search color ramp. Color to base color. Shift A, search map range. Result to fact. Search separate X, Y, Z. Z to value. And finally we need geometry. Position to vector. If we moving color ramp not work because we need select this material. Now it's working. Change color what you like. I leave this. Create another material. Surface change to emission. Select material. Change straight and color. If you want, you can animate color and straight. Also, don't forget you can change color and map range parameter. I'd be really happy if you leave comment and click like. Don't forget check my channel, I have a more useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, see ya!